Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back. So sorry for my disappearance. Things have just gotten absolutely crazy with school and I haven't had much time to film, but here I am coming at you guys with this red and gold and brown, just all these warm tones. Super happy with the way this came out. So if you would like to know how to get this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to be priming my face, so I'm going to be using my Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot Primer. Now, moving on to foundation, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation, and mine is in the shade 2.5, and just blending that in with my beauty sponge. And now taking my handy dandy Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm just going to be covering up any problem areas. And now to set that all into place, I am taking an old friend, which is the Coty Airspun powder, and just setting my face with it. And now moving on to the face before I zoom you guys in so you can do the eyes, I'm going to be moving on to bronzer, and I'm going to be taking my Hoola bronzer by Benefit just to add some color and kind of, you know, just get a little definition in there. And now moving on to blush, today I'm using my L'Oreal True Match blush in the shade Spiced Plum. I never ever used to wear blush, but honestly, I love this color. It's so pretty. And now that we're done with the face part of the makeup, I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see the eyes a little bit better. So I will see you in a second. And now that you are so close to my face, hello. We're going to be moving on to the eyes, and so I'm going to start with brows. And for my brows today, I'm going to be taking my Benefit Ka-Brow, as always, in the shade 4, and just filling them in. And now that the brows are complete, I'm going to move on to priming my eyes to get them ready for eyeshadow. So I'm using my Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. And now moving on to the eyeshadow, which is the main part of this look, I'm going to be taking my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm so excited. I love this palette so much. And so I'm going to be taking this shade right here and just using that in my crease as a transition. And now to deepen it up just that tiny little bit and add a little bit of that warm red tones, I'm going to be mixing these two shades right here and just putting that into my outer third. And now that we have that all blended out, I'm moving on to the lid where we can put in a little bit of sparkle. So I'm going to be mixing these two shades right here and just putting that all over the lid. And to finish off the eyeshadow, just to add a little bit more, just to make it that little bit more extra, I'm going to be taking my finger and dipping it into this gold shade right here and just patting that into the center of the lid. And now moving on to eyeliner before we finish off the eyes with mascara. I'm first going to be taking my Maybelline Master Precise and just winging that out. And then quickly moving on to bottom eyeliner, I'm going to be taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean and just putting that on my waterline. And now finally, to finish off the eyes, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara and just, you know, coating my lashes. And now that we're done with the eyes, I have zoomed you guys back out so we can finish the rest of this makeup. So now moving on to highlight, I'm taking my Milani Afterglow highlight and just putting that on the high points of my face. So now that we are glowing, I mean, do you see this highlight? I'm obsessed with this highlight. I'm going to be finishing off the makeup with the lips, so for that I'm going to be taking my Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Leo and just coating my lips with it. And now finally, to finish off the lips, I'm going to be taking my Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Leo and just coating my lips with it. So there you go, guys. That was this completed makeup tutorial. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below any other types of videos you would like to see from me, because I'll be sure to get on and do this for you guys. As always, all the products used will be linked down in the description below, as well as all my social medias, including, very, very exciting, my second channel. I started a booktube channel just to talk about books because, like, I love to read, I love to write, so if you enjoy those things, that channel will be linked down below. So I hope you did enjoy this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!